afternoon. My presentation. My name is Seiner de Peña. I am 30 years old. My occupation is bricklayer and a student. My likes are soccer and basketball. My family is made up of my wife, my daughter, my mom, and dad. My listing your name. I made in my last trip to the Atlantic coast, more exactly Cartagena. It was a trip of cultural representation, but at the same time it was going to come this beautiful city to enjoy the beach and the sea. It was a great wake for the whole ground and my family. Some representative place of the city could be Kyun, and the most beautiful beach from my point of view, Baru, was a very pleasant trip. My next trip, my decided to meet in the next trip will be Mexico. Why? For its gastronomy, its people, its culture, and for many of its representative places and cities chose as Acapulco to comment more about the aesthetic culture, to taste its representative drink, tequila, and to bring me beautiful memory of that country. Thank you very much.